Botswana is a landlocked country located in southern Africa. Here are some key aspects of its current state. 1. Political landscape. The Botswana Democratic Party (BDP) is the ruling party in Botswana, which has consistently won every national election since the country gained independence. President Mokgweetsi Eric Masisi assumed office in April 2018, following the retirement of former President Ian Khama due to constitutional term limits. 2. Stable democracy. Botswana maintains a stable political environment with a multi-party democratic tradition. General elections are held every 5 years, and the BDP has remained in power since independence. In October 2019, Botswana held its 11th general elections, during which President Masisi took office. 3. Geography and economy. The country is characterized by a flat topography, with approximately 70% of its territory comprising the Kalahari Desert. Botswana's economy has shown resilience and progress, and it continues to be a peaceful and prosperous nation in the region. 4. Recent developments. In 2023, Botswana and Zimbabwe announced a bilateral deal to scrap passport requirements for each other's citizens, promoting easier movement between the two countries. This move reflects a growing trend among African nations to ease entry restrictions for visitors from the continent. In summary, Botswana stands as a testament to stability, democracy, and positive growth in southern Africa.